Hello beautiful people, what's up? It's your girl Niikisparks. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are blessed and in a good space. So let's get started. I'm looking like this because I was just applying my pre-poo. So I'm going to insert a clip showing you guys what are the products that I used today to make my pre-poo. So as I started transitioning, if you guys haven't checked my previous video, yes, I'm transitioning. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can go check it out and know why I am transitioning to natural hair after 19 years of being relaxed. It came into my head that I would want to pre-poo that way, so I just pick a hair treatment that I feel like to use on the week that I want to wash my hair. I be rotating a little bit depending on the hair needs, but right now I'm focusing on making sure my new growth is nourished and restored and growing healthy. I just rotate between as I am. I just also use this one. I've been using this one a lot, the Africa's Best Coconut Restorative Conditioner. I've been using this one a lot because it says restorative, and as I've been doing my research intensively on how to transition the healthiest way possible, I've noticed that a lot of these girls that did transition years ago always say that the new growth, the new hair that is coming out is fragile, and that it needs all the love and it needs to be restored. It needs all the strength that it needs to keep growing healthy. So that's why I've been using this one a lot. I am also using my faithful silicone bamboo. And today, as you saw on the clip, I used the silicone mix, the original. This one has a little bit of protein in it, so I'm using this one. So I've been rotating between these hair treatments that I have for now. I'm not going to go splurge money on new products that I don't know as of yet, because I don't know my hair type. I don't know nothing about my natural hair as of yet, so I'm just using what I know, that I know works for me, that always makes my hair super soft, and that I know it worked, that my hair loves. So later on in this journey, I will be showing you guys the new products that I will be incorporating, and if my hair loves it or not. That's the pre-poo that I'm doing today. I usually leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. This time around, I'm gonna leave it on for like 15 minutes only, because this has a little bit of protein. I don't have much time today to stay longer with the pre-poo on, knowing that I still have to deep condition my hair. So that's the reason why I'm not going to leave it on for a full hour. Guys, my hair feels super soft. If you've used silicone line, you know that they all leave their hair super soft like butter. To how you call that? I forgot the word. Oh my god, the word just gone up on my brain. But you know what I mean, when it deep cleans your scalp. I just use this one to remove the buildups. ORS Hair Restore Uplifting Shampoo. Very good. It leaves a tingling sensation on the scalp and I really like it. Oh, I'm also using this Miel Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. So it's a strengthening shampoo. I like it. I was using it when my hair was fully relaxed. I like it, but I've noticed that it's not a shampoo that I would use weekly, because it would dry out my hair. Simply using it because I need to finish it. I bought it, so I'm gonna finish it. That I have been faithful to, and it's so good and leaves my hair super soft. It's none other than the Cream of Nature sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo. So it gently cleanses, hydrates, and detangles. So this shampoo there right now, this is my lifesaver when it comes to washing my hair and leaving my hair super soft, not stripped away, and makes the detangling process so much easier thanks to this shampoo. If you've been a subscriber for a good while now, you know that I've been using this for the past for more than 6 years now. I've been using this. With these two shampoos, I'm perfectly fine. This one does leave my hair super soft while I'm washing my hair and very moisturized. And this one removes all the buildup on my hair. And I use this once, twice a month, depending on how much oil and gel and moisturizer that I use during the week. Okay. As a deep conditioner, I'm going to be using the Silicone Mix Bamboo, my favorite. Mwah. I also got a Pelo. That one I used it last week, and that's why I'm using this one this week. I really like to switch up routinely, switch my my deep conditioners, meaning that I will use the same deep conditioners but rotatively. And that's how my routine always have been. I never use like only one deep conditioner. I use the ones that I love, but always listen to your hair. Always listen to your hair. So yeah, you guys, I will be using this as a deep conditioner, and then I will come back to the screen to show you guys what I do after I rinse out the deep conditioner. You guys, see you in a couple minutes. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, I am back. I washed my hair, as you can see here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see very well, but I think yes. This is my hair. This is all the new growth. Feels like a sponge. So I just take the excess water from the ends so it can stop dripping a little bit. Never use a regular towel to just go through your hair like this, because you're just gonna break your hair. Be using the Silicone Bamboo as my deep conditioner. I'm going to be putting it inside a bowl because I'm gonna mix it with some avocado oil and grapeseed oil. So I took this amount of product, as you can see, and I'm gonna be mixing a little bit of avocado oil like this, just a bit, and also some grapeseed oil from the brand Now Solutions. I get them from Amazon. And just mix. When I had my relaxed hair, I would do this, but as a pre-poo, I will always use my oils and pre-poos when I have my hair fully relaxed, because I always used to roll a set and do the Dominican blow dry, the Dominican blowout on my hair. So I didn't want anything to weigh down my hair. Use also leave-in conditioner and heat protectant. I invite you to go check my wash day routine when my hair was fully relaxed. I'm gonna leave the link down below as well. And I really don't like to see a blowout when the hair looks weighed down and without life. I will insert a little video there where I will show you how my hair would look after I blow out my hair. Super flowy, super lightweight, and the trick was always to don't put a lot of product on my hair, and especially not oils. So now is my ring light is kind of twitching. I don't want to put tension or heat onto my new growth as of now. So yeah, so let me just start deep conditioning. I'm gonna tell you guys how I'm doing it. I'm basically concentrating the product more on my new growth than the ends. I'm going to fast forward this part. I just try to detangle, especially the ends, first before applying conditioner, the hair treatment, because I find that when I just apply the conditioner on my hair while my hair was tangled, and to detangle it with the conditioner on, but then I noticed that my hair used to get tangled up because of all the like the manipulation of applying the conditioner. And when I would come and try to detangle it, it would be super tangled, especially on my ends. So as you can see, I'm applying most of the product on my new growth and then the rest through my ends. Then I just make sure that is applied well. I just pass my finger in between the hair. And what I just do as well is I just make sure keep it like backwards like this, because I don't like unnecessary problem with my hair. And I'm also parting my hair with my fingers. I no longer go with the comb just to avoid unnecessary breakage. My finger is enough. When I'm combing my hair, yes, I just use the comb, sometimes the rattle comb, to part my hair and stuff like that. But when it comes to just applying product, I just use my finger to part it. With my pre-poo, the products I use leave my hair super soft. As you can see here, it leaves my hair super soft. It makes my wash day so much easier. I no longer have to roller set, so all I have to do is apply the products I just apply to leave it air dry, and then just moisturize and seal it a little bit. Then I'll just put everything backwards like this, massage it. And put a little clip. Just take the same plastic cap because we're not wasting over here. This cap, it came with my heat cap. So now I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes or more, depending on whatever I have to do in the house right now. And then I'll be right back to show you guys my next step wash day routine as I am transitioning my hair. So keep on watching. This is how much hair I shedded on my wash day. So I detangled my hair when I was pre-pooing and when I was deep conditioned. So you guys, I am back. And I rinsed out the deep conditioner already, as you can see. So this is my hair fully washed and conditioned. So this is my hair. The new growth feels super soft. I don't know if you guys can see well because the lights are right behind me and I can't really see what's going on in the camera because of the lights. But this is my hair freshly washed and deep conditioned. So this, the Long and Luxe from As I Am, the Grow Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. The texture is like this, not so thick, not so runny. And I just take a bunch now. I just make sure do like this, go in between, apply it. I just make sure go on the new growth. It is that I just part my hair like this, just take some and apply it. And only now looking at my products here, I forgot that I didn't apply my hair ampoules that I have to wear, that I have to apply. So I have this ampolla from Cresepelo, and I got a little bit of this as well. Is the H&P Placenta Original, is a leave-in conditioner treatment. It restores life and luster for all hair type. Is this, and this I used to use this like way back when I first started relaxing my hair. So since I have a little bit of this and a little bit of that, I'm just gonna mix both. Apply it on my scalp I just put my finger in between so a lot doesn't come out, so I have control on the amount that comes out of the bottle. And then the rest I just apply it all over the hair. Then I just take some of my grapeseed oil. I really like the grapeseed oil because it's lightweight, and since I have fine hair strands, it's not going to be too heavy on my hair. I'm just gonna take some, not too much, especially in the middle. The driest my hair is here on the crown. It is the thickest and the driest. I don't know why, but that's how my hair works. That's how it is. And then I just put a scarf in front. I don't put it too tight because every time I just put tight things in my head, I just get a headache. When I was younger, I didn't care. It didn't used to bother me, but now any tight thing on my head, it has just hurt my hair. It has given me a headache. So I will leave it air dry like this, and then if I see that my hair is still kind of dry, I will go in with the S Curl moisturizer on my new growth, and then just style my hair. And then I will do my daily routine. That is my previous video where I show you guys how I comb my hair, and also my daily routine with rosemary water to promote hair growth. For now, I say for now because I don't have a lot of new growth. For now, this is what's been working for me, and that's why my transitioning, the beginning of my transitioning journey is not so hard. So this is what I do. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you do like this type of content, I will be documenting every part of my transitioning routine. So if you want some more, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also click on the bell so you don't miss none of my videos. So yeah, you guys, see you on my next one. Mwah. Bye.